Mr. Bernadas, may I present to you your order of Maria Clara Sangria with a very good vintage year of 1852, a light-bodied red wine. Shall I open the bottle for you? Here's the cork, sir. May I have the privilege of tasting the wine for you, sir?